Well, hello there and welcome to the grand finale of this video series, part 4 of how to build your online store. So if this is the first video you've landed on, I would really love it if you just headed back to the first video and watched it from then. The last 3 videos have some really important information and I wouldn't want you to miss out. So in the first video of this series, we went through defining your business brand. In part 2, we discussed how to create the perfect product. And in part 3, we went through how to develop your online store to make it truly your own. Now in the final part of this 4-part series, we get to finally launch your online store, ready to make that first sale. So firstly, what you want to do is you want to select your paid plan and launch your online store. So to launch your store, you will need to select a Shopify plan. The great thing about Shopify is that you can start your online store for as little as $29 per month. And with your free 14-day trial, and based on the fact that Shopify won't actually charge you until you reach your first 30 days, you can technically open up your online store and make your very first sale before you even get charged a single cent by Shopify. How cool is that? If you're looking for more information about what paid plans are available through Shopify, check out the link in the description box below for more information. In step 2, you'll want to run a test order to make sure everything's running smoothly. So at this stage, you've customized your online store, you've updated your preferences and settings, you've uploaded your products, and now you're ready to sell. But here's the thing, you're not sure if your online store actually works. This is where you want to run a test order to make sure that everything's running smoothly. Shopify actually have a fantastic article on how to run your first test order using their bogus payment system. I'll leave a link to the article in the description box below so you can go check it out. And the very last step is driving traffic to your online store. So you don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure out that you need traffic in order to get sales on your online store. Shopify quotes that on average, the conversion rate for your online store is between 0.5 and 3%, which means you should get a sale between every 40 and 150 visits to your online store. So the goal is to get as many visitors to your online store as possible. Back when you first had the idea of opening your online store, there's a high chance you already had a few potential customers in mind. So why not let them know that you've opened up this amazing online store? Shoot them a quick email and ask them if they know anyone else that might be interested. And be sure to share it on Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest. Getting the word out about your business through friends and family is a great way to gain momentum, and it'll even boost up your confidence. Additionally, now that you have your social media account set up, it's time to start using these to help promote your business, your brand, and your products. You can find plenty of free resources online to help you use your social media accounts to promote your business. And there we go, the very last part of this 4-part series, how to launch your online store. I hope you found this video series helpful and it's given you the confidence to go out and start your online store. If you've ever dreamed of owning your own online store and selling your amazing products, then why not check out my free starter course, Build Your Online Store. Within the course, you'll find easy to follow step-by-step tutorials that will guide you in starting your online store. It'll go through how to sign up and set up your Shopify account, how to choose, upload, and customize your theme, set up your preferences and general settings to make sure it's all ready for you to upload your products and start selling online. You can find a link to the free course in the description box below. Okay, so before I sign off and wish you well, I just want to finish by giving you one piece of encouragement. There really has never been a better time to start your online business. With the products, software, information, and tools available today, you've got everything at your fingertips to build a successful online business. The only thing you need is determination and a willing to start. So my question to you is, are you ready to start building your dream online store?